Hello and welcome to the Utah Sports Action Training video for the ladies soccer. This will just be a high-level overview of how to input data for the ladies soccer teams as well as the ladies soccer games. If you've not yet watched the training videos for the football data entry, you'll want to go back and watch those. This will just be a very high-level overview of data input for the ladies soccer, which is very close to the football data entry, which is why I'm not going too in-depth in this video. So if you haven't yet, do go back and watch those football videos for a little more detail on the process here. As usual, the first thing we'll need to do to get started is log into the website using the data entry account. So we'll go ahead and do that here. Just like with football, the data we're going to be entering into the system will come from tribpreps.com. So we can visit that site and pull up a school that we want to enter data for. So here we'll go ahead and put Alta and pull up their page. Okay, so here's the page for Alta High School. If you scroll down, you'll see girls soccer schedule here. First, we'll go ahead and actually talk about entering the data for the ladies soccer team into the Utah Sports Action. So we'll come over just like in football and do create content. Come down to the ladies soccer team entry, and we'll click on that to bring up the blank form, which looks identical to the form you use to enter a football team. It works the same way as well. So here we'd want to enter the name of the school, since this is our varsity soccer team. We'll go ahead and start typing the name of the school down here. This will auto-complete with all the schools that match. We just need to click on the right one so that it fills in the right data. We have the school year here automatically filled in again. We don't need to change that at all. That's the correct value. Logo, head coach, and coach's comments we can ignore. We just need to go ahead and hit save to commit this particular ladies soccer team into the database, again just like you do when you're creating a football team. Next, I will quickly show you how to enter the ladies soccer games. This is also very similar to the way that the football games are entered. We come over or load up the form for the ladies soccer game. We can come over to TribPreps. We just need to choose a game here. Let's say Alta at American Fork. Just select the first two fields and copy that. Come back over to the title and paste it. Here we'll clean it up with the @ symbol and the dash. Complete this data out a little bit. And then we can come in and fill in the data here. Since there are no soccer teams in the system yet, these visiting team and home team fields are not going to complete for me. In fact, what I would have to do is go through the ladies soccer team content forms and create all of the teams that are involved in this game, Alta and American Fork, before I can enter the game into the system. Since that hasn't been done, I can't do that here. But you can see an example of this in the football training videos. It works exactly the same way. Here we have the points per period for each team. So you just enter that here for completed games, like for example this one, Alta at Hillcrest. We had period 1 was 0-0, so we can enter that here. Period 2, visiting team got 3, home team got 0, so we enter that here. And then we would just go ahead and hit save. If it happens that the tribpreps.com does not have the point data per period, if all they have is the final score, rather than filling in these 4 fields, you can just fill in the final score here and the final score here. However, you should only do that if you do not have the period points like we do for this particular game. Once you have all the data filled in, just go ahead and hit save. That'll commit that to the system, allow it to show up on all the schedules that we have, and you'll be done. Again, if the game is not yet completed, if it's a game for scheduled in the future, all you really need is the title, the visiting team, the home team, and the date and time. This can all be filled in later after the game has been completed, so you don't need to worry about that upon the creation of a game in the future. So this completes the high-level overview of the ladies soccer game data entry for the Utah Sports Action website.